If you are using Final Cut Pro and every time after using the Final Cut Pro, you'll see that the video is automatically playing. So let's see how we can disable this feature. So at first we need to open Final Cut Pro, then we have to click this icon. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will bring this option. From here we have to choose add destination. I'm going to click over add destination and very shortly it will be opened. Now we need to choose the profile or we need to create a profile. For example, I'm going to change this settings, like it will not open the QuickTime for this profile. So YouTube, and this is the destination section, and here I'm going to choose that option. And here there is an option, it is called action, and if you click here you'll see different options are there. So if you choose here like QuickTime player, then every time when the export is finished, Final Cut Pro will automatically open this QuickTime player and the video will be played over there. Now to disable this thing, we just need to click over there, and from here we have to choose save only. And then once you press this option or save this option, save only, then you can close it. Now you don't need to do anything, and that's it. From next time when you export your video or when you create the video, once it is finished, Final Cut Pro will not open any QuickTime player or something like that. And that's it. In this way we can stop like playing video using QuickTime after each export of the Final Cut video.